Hello, everyone. Welcome to another quick and effective workout session with me. Let's go. So, today our focus will be on recovery after fever and sickness. One of the most common mistakes people make after recovering from an illness is either doing too much too early or avoiding movement altogether. Now, when we spend several days resting in bed, our circulation slows down, muscles become stiff, and our energy levels can remain low even after the fever is gone. Now, the good news is that gentle movement can help wake the body up, improve circulation, and help you get back to your routine feeling much more stronger and more energized. So, with that all said, let's get started. So, let's begin in a comfortable position. Sit up tall with your shoulders relaxed. Place one hand on your chest and the other hand on your stomach. Now, before we begin any movement, it's important that we shift our focus onto our breathing. After a fever or an illness, our body often feels more tired, sluggish. Deep breathing helps improve oxygen flow throughout the body and prepare us for movement. Okay, together with me, take a deep breath in through your nose, feel the stomach expand, and slowly exhale. Many people hold tension in the neck and shoulders after being sick. This movement helps release some of that stiffness. Okay, now slowly come up to standing. This next exercise is simple yet extremely effective. When we spend a long time period in rest, our upper body can become a little stiff. These movements help blood get flowing again. Feet hip width apart. Now, rotate your shoulders backwards, nice and slow. Let's repeat it for 5 more repetitions. 4 and 5. Now, forward. 1, 2, nice and slow. Again, 3, 4, 5. Now, extend your arms. Start making small circles like these and slowly make them bigger. Complete rotations as much as you can. Keep breathing and relax. Coming down onto the mat. Now, extend both the legs in front. Bend your right knee. Place it over the left one. Place your right arm behind for support and gently move towards the right side. Don't force the movement. Just move comfortably. Now, let's rotate towards the other side. Same with the left leg placed over the right. Left hand behind for support. With the other hand, move towards the left side comfortably. Hold. One more breath and relax. The spine often becomes stiff after spending days in bed. This gentle rotation helps restore that movement and improve mobility through your back. Bring your knees near your chest, hug them in, and gently try rocking back and forth like this. This gives a gentle massage to your back. This movement helps release tension from the lower back and hips. If comfortable, gently rock side to side, giving your back muscles a little massage. Remain seated or lying down. Extend your leg out. Rotate your ankle in small circles for 5 repetitions. 3, 4, 5. Now, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Now extend your arms. Now extend your arms. Rotate your wrists slowly and gently. These simple movements help improve the blood flow throughout the body. Excellent. Stand tall and begin with the mat. Slow and easy. Here, we are not trying to increase intensity. We are simply reminding our body how to move again. That's it. Excellent. For wall push, just find a wall nearby. Place your palm against the wall at chest height. Step slightly back. Now gently push into the wall and hold for 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Now relax. This activates the muscles of the chest, arms, and shoulders without placing any stress on your joints. Excellent, isn't it? Stand tall. Lightly hold a wall if needed. Lift your heels up. Let's continue together. 1, 2, down. 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 The calf muscles play an important role in helping the blood return back to the heart. This simple exercise helps improve circulation while gently activating the lower body. Okay, take a seat. Sit up tall. Extend one leg forward straight. Hold and switch. And switch again. And low. Your quad muscles can become weaker after prolonged bed rest. This exercise helps wake them up and gradually build strength. Let's finish with a gentle forward fold. Standing with your feet hip width apart. Just hold this position. Recovering from illness is not about rushing back to where you were. It's about giving your body exactly what it needs at the right time. A few minutes of gentle movement every day can improve circulation, reduce stiffness, and restore your energy levels. That's all for today's recovery session. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care of yourself, keep moving, and I'll see you in the next workout.